Welcome back everyone. Today's video I'll be installing LED Jeep headlights in my classic Beetle. Firstly, I need to make sure that the battery is disconnected. These are the old headlights that I took out of the Beetle, as well as the indicators, because the new lights, Jeep headlights, has the halo indicators built into them. I redid the wiring. I resoldered all the connections to the new headlights. Also removed the indicators in the bumper, as I won't be needing them anymore. I rewired the other side as well. I also connected up the daytime running light and indicators to the new headlights. And stay tuned for an update and a test of the new headlights.